Okay guys, let's do it. I'm really late, so the first thing I'm gonna apply this serum, just a few small drops, not too much, just a little bit to add some glow to my skin. Just a small drop here and here and just here, and that's enough. That's enough. I don't need more than that in this weather. Just adding glow to my face without adding too much product. Okay, I don't apply like any face cream in this weather because I can't stand it. So this serum is like more than enough for me because I have a combination skin. It tends to be more oily in this time of the year. In this hot weather, it tends to be more oily. So when I need to go out, I don't want to wash my face outside, so I need to reduce the amount of the product that I apply. So this serum really does a really good job to make me feel my skin is glowy and not like tight after washing it, and feel like hydrated and moisturized and beautiful. Okay, so the next thing, I'm gonna apply this lip tint. It's from Shein. It's really beautiful. I really love it. The color is so amazing. So I'm gonna apply some of it with this brush. Okay, just a bit, not too much. I know I look weird with my hair up like this in a t-shirt, and I'm using a t-shirt to dry my hair, okay? Because it's 100% cotton, so it's very gentle on your hair shaft while it's wet, because when your hair is wet, it's in the weakest like position of your hair, so don't use a towel. The towel is 100% cotton, but it's kind of harsh on your hair, so using 100% cotton t-shirt way gentler and does the job. So this is an old t-shirt I use like always. Okay, so a little bit of my nose. Okay, the camera looks a little bit lighter than real life. Okay, it's darker than that, I promise, but just apply the amount of color that I need. And this one is really gentle. It's not greasy at all. It feels so soft, really soft. Okay, sometimes I just take a little bit of it and add it to my lips. Okay, as you can see, and it's really nice, really nice. It's not greasy at all, which is what I love about it. Alright, so this is the second thing. Okay, next I'm gonna go with some highlighter, and it's cream one, just a little bit. I'm gonna apply just small dots here, small dots here, small dots on my tip of my nose, just a little bit here, not too much. Okay, and a little bit on my eyelid. Sometimes I forget to tell you. Whoa. Okay, here we go. Okay, sometimes with the leftover on my brush, basically, I just take it to my eyelid like this. So add a little bit of color, not too much. Okay, I don't add anything with the leftover only. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my this and apply it to my eyelid like this. You can use powder shadow, but this is enough for me. Okay, and with this one, just begin to blend that. Okay, sometimes using my fingers too, just like you. Okay, a bit to get to the shaft. Okay, use your finger if you want to, and here we go. Okay, that really helps to widen up my eyes and make it feel like awake, because when I wake up in the morning, especially without a good night sleep, I feel like my eyes just so closed, and it's already small, so I don't need it to be more smaller than it already is. So, and now it's the okay. Now I'm not gonna do anything to my eyebrows. I'm gonna leave it as it is because I'm not applying applying barely any makeup, so I'm not gonna make my eyebrow dramatic. It's in a good shape. It's not like completely gone. Still have a shape, so I'm using what I have. Of course, you can apply some powder or some like a brow gel, brow pomade if you have more gaps than this. But for me, when I'm applying this minimum makeup, I just do nothing, just comb it and leave it. Especially when I'm trimming it, so it's in place, it will not go anywhere. So it looks like it's groomed up beautiful, and that's it. Of course, my face looks like dull because my eyelashes, it's long, but you barely see it because you know it's light on the ends, so you can see. So what I'm doing, just a little bit of touch of mascara. So I'm gonna use this one, just not too much, just to blacken my eyelashes. I'm not applying any mascara, barely. As you can see, just color my eyelashes to make it black. If I have any tint, and do it like for the, you know, this for eyebrow lifting and this stuff, I'm just coloring. Okay, I'm gonna comb it later, but can you see the difference? I didn't apply anything, just add color. And this is my lashes, this is my normal lashes, and just add a little bit to my lower lash. Okay, just a bit. As you can see, completely different. And now you can feel that you have something on your face. Okay. So I have a difference in my eyelashes length. This one is longer than this one, so I'm trying to make it identical. So that's why I'm adding a little bit more on this one. Okay, and lower lashes. Okay, that's it. That's it. Almost finished. And after I finish my hair, I'm gonna apply my lip color after I change my clothes. So now I'm gonna wear my clothes and coming back to you to show you how I style my hair. So stay tuned. Okay, last tip. Okay, I can go like this, or I can add a little bit of color. Okay, I don't know, apply this one or apply a lip. Okay, or apply just a little bit of. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of this color, but not too much. Apply it to my lips. Yeah, it's beautiful. Just do the center, that's it. Okay, and to finish this clean kind of look, okay, I'll just take a lip gloss. Okay. As you can see, looks clean, looks fresh. I feel like beautiful and like confident in my own skin, because my own skin itself is beautiful. And that's the final look. And as I told you, when I went back to work, like I go to work and move hair tie, and it will look beautiful. So that's it. I really hope you like this video. I really hope you learn something or you enjoy watching it. In this hot weather, we pray for this to disappear. Try your best to, like, I don't know what we need to do as a human beings to help our planet. I made a video about it yesterday, and I don't know what we need to do to help all that to go away or reduce that. I don't know, but I guess I'm gonna do a meditation. And again, if you know any kind of meditation group that can help to increase the energetic frequency of the planet, let me know. I'd be so happy to do a group meditation. I never did it before, but I really want to. So if you're into meditation like me and you know someone or some group, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be so happy to join. I love our planet, and without it we will not be here. So, and this physical form, of course, but yeah, yeah. Anyway, so have a great day, guys, and it's Tuesday, so I hope this day will be beautiful on everyone and every single living soul on this planet. And I love you so much, and I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. Love you. Bye.